In complementing government agenda of not leaving anyone behind with developmental projects, WaterAid Zambia, a non-governmental organization, has embarked on a venture of putting up water equipment such as boreholes and water tanks in selected schools for the vulnerable. This follows the reopening of schools amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, where the organization is helping to mitigate the impact of the disease in the country. WaterAid Country Director Pamela Chisanga explains that the project is an emergency response initiative dubbed Back to School Water and Sanitation WASH project, which is currently implemented in a number of selected schools, one of which is Home of Happiness Orphanage that is housing over 100 disabled children.
Things that led us to Home of Happiness, like I said before, is the fact that we are big on inclusion. We started off by designing what we believe to be a universal hand washing station or device, and we wanted to test that model here. And Madam Bernadette will remember that we came here, we wanted to hand over the device, but then when we tried it here, we realized that it had its own limitations, especially for children. And for us, this was a very good and big lesson in terms of designing some of these facilities. And so we went back to the drawing board to try and look. At how best we could redesign this facility so that the children here could also have access to hand washing facilities. As we were here, we also noted a number of other challenges related not only to WASH, but to the general well-being of the children here.
Ms. Chisanga says the venture is being tackled in collaboration with other cooperating stakeholders, such as the Standard Chartered Bank and the Ministry of General Education, aiming at providing proper sanitation, good housing, and also clean water to the vulnerable children. Ms. Chisanga was speaking during the handover ceremony of a newly furbished housing unit and a wash project to the orphanage in Lusaka on the 10th of May 2021. Reporting for Movie TV News, Namangolwa Mundia.